Hi all, welcome back to our channel. This question asking so many people. That is I'll discuss about here. If I'm go to my business, I am fit.in. Anyone searching for gym in Madhapur, for example, I'll open for Google my business location. They can show will be 3 years of business, 5 plus of years business, 5 plus of years business, and they're showing for different 3 plus. So how we can show this years of business into the Google Map location? So my business not visible by years of business. I have to show 10 plus of years of business. How do we can visible my Google Maps? The simple logic, go to business.google.com into this is a Google My Business posting purpose. Go to information, info, that is called info. Every information belongs to for info. Coming to the down, here is the option name is called open date. When you are start by date, month, and year. Based on mention, it automatically visible by here. We can show your 3 plus of years experience, 4 plus, here is the option. 19, 20, 21, 22. They will show for 3 plus of years of on your business. Based on years of increase, automatically will show your 7 plus, 10 plus, everything visible on your particular Google Map location. So this is compulsory mentioned by open date, automatically visible by the 10 years of business, 5 years of business, it is visible on your Google Map location. If any further question about Google Maps or any query, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.